And it's only been, what, an hour? An hour and a half since the storm started? Oh yeah, this is going to be a big one. This car is going to be frozen to the ground soon. Hopefully no one has to get a package out of there today. I can't push the button. There's too much ice on it. There is now a layer of ice on my camera. There's ice stuck to the lens. That was a rather useless amount of salt. Like, okay, sure. We got a little bit more than an internet outage right now. Can't be pushed at all. There's a huge layer of ice on that. Not that it'd make a difference because the power is out at this intersection. ice storm has destroyed this flag. I just checked the radar, and this is a lull in the storm. There's a lot more to come. Oh boy. This is a newly fallen tree. It was dead, but it fell over on top of the live trees and totally smashed them. Wow. Oh, I just fell through 2 feet of snow. That's how thick the crust is on top. The power is currently out here, but if it was on, I bet it would be sparking. That's some thick ice. Wow. These branches are not broken, but they're usually able to be walked under. Wow. At least I don't think they're broken. Some of them are, like that one. Another reason to wear the helmet. If a tree branch suddenly breaks, it won't be nice, but at least I have a helmet to soften some of the blow. I'm not going to walk under the trees though. All you can hear is generators and cracking ice. And birds singing happily. They don't care about the ice storm. This canvas edge protector is solid. Actually, that's probably burlap, but whatever. Not long ago, this was mostly slush, and it's already freezing up. This is going to be an absolute mess. Oh my goodness. An absolute mess. And it's not over yet. Well, that was fun. Apparently this is only half the storm, so I'm expecting there to be a part 2 to this video tonight, tomorrow, or something like that, depending on when the power comes back on. Now I gotta edit this video with, I think I'm gonna use my cell phone. So I've got some power left in the laptop, but video editing will destroy the remaining battery life, and I'm not sure how much longer my battery backup is lasting. That's cool though. That means the scanner, the radio scanner, is still on. Cool. Who knows? We'll see. Once it starts screaming without stopping, though, it's almost dead. Cheers! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and share this with anyone else you might think would like it. That'll help me pay for the microphone I had to buy to be able to go out there in the wind and rain and everything. Anyway, cheers! So that just started. It is now a thunder ice storm.